Ever wondered how a single click could jeopardize your entire digital life? Isn't it fascinating and somewhat terrifying how technology, the very tool that makes our lives easier, can become a weapon in the wrong hands? Welcome to the world of cybersecurity, where the battle between hackers and defenders is as thrilling as it gets. Firstly, we delve into the realm of cybersecurity, unearthing its importance in our technology-driven world. In essence, cybersecurity safeguards our digital existence from malicious threats lurking in the vast expanse of the internet. From protecting personal data to securing national secrets, cybersecurity plays an integral role in maintaining order in the digital universe. Moving on, we explore two sides of the same coin: offensive and defensive security. Offensive security involves simulating cyber attacks to identify vulnerabilities. It's like playing the role of a friendly hacker, breaking into systems to find weak points. On the other hand, defensive security focuses on building robust systems that can withstand these attacks. It's like constructing an impenetrable fortress, keeping the unfriendly hackers at bay. Next, we introduce you to Linux, the favorite operating system of security professionals. Why, you may ask? Well, Linux offers a level of flexibility and control that is unmatched by its competitors. It's like having a customizable suit of armor, ready to be modified to face any threat. Now, let's venture into the world of social engineering, a hacker's psychological toolkit. It's not always about breaking codes and bypassing firewalls. Sometimes it's about manipulating people into giving up their secrets. It's a reminder that humans can be the weakest link in the security chain. Next, we dive into the murky waters of phishing, one of the most common cyber threats. Imagine getting an email from your bank asking for your credentials. You enter your details, thinking it's legit, and boom, you've just handed over the keys to your digital kingdom. That's phishing for you, a deceptive technique that tricks you into revealing sensitive information. Lastly, we introduce you to remote access tools, or RATs, the digital equivalent of a spy's toolkit. These tools allow hackers to control a device remotely, like puppeteers pulling strings from behind the scenes. It's like having an invisible intruder in your device, doing as they please without your knowledge. In summary, this journey into the heart of cybersecurity takes us through its importance, the roles of offensive and defensive security, the advantages of Linux, the psychology of social engineering, the deceit of phishing, and the stealth of remote access tools. It's a thrilling ride, full of twists and turns, where knowledge is your best weapon and awareness, your strongest shield.